Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to cook sweet and sour pork hock stew. Here are the ingredients. 3/4 kilo of pork hock, 5 cloves garlic, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1/4 cup vinegar, 1/2 tablespoon whole peppercorn, 2 laurel leaves, 200 grams dried banana blossoms, and salt to taste. Put oil in a heated pan and fry pork until brown. Set aside the pork and saute the garlic. Put back the pork and add 4 cups of water. Add the soy sauce, vinegar, whole peppercorn, laurel leaves, banana blossoms, and brown sugar. Cook in medium heat for about an hour or until the pork is tender. When cooked, add salt to taste. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.